it's Betsy from Cuttin Corners Vinyl in Nederland, Texas, and today is Craftmas Season 2, Episode 57. And I'm going to show you how to make this adorable Baby Yoda shirt. Now, Nadia designed this. Caden, my middle, is obsessed with Star Wars, so whenever The Mandalorian had Baby Yoda, we knew we had to do a Baby Yoda design. Now, this is a heather green Bella and Canvas t-shirt, and then I used the Deco Film Soft Metallic in matte black. I love the way this vinyl goes on. It feels more like screen printing, like it definitely feels like it melts into the fabric. That's one of my favorite reasons to use this. Now, if you'll give me a moment to change the camera angle, I'll show you how we made this. So as you can see, I have my shirt laid out. I'm using my Steady Betty as my pressing mat, which I use a 15 by 24 inch Steady Betty. I'm going to take and lay out my t-shirt guide across the top of my Bella and Canvas shirt. This is a Bella and Canvas in heather green. So we line that up at the top. We've already cut and weeded our vinyl. This is the Deco Film Soft Metallic, or soft metallic and matte black. So we're going to create our center mark and go ahead and lay that on the top of our shirt, about 3 fingers down. If you know, and you may not, Caden, my middle one, is obsessed with Star Wars. So whenever Baby Yoda came out on The Mandalorian, we had to make a shirt. So here we go. We're going to go ahead and cover and press. We're going to press each section on 300 degrees for 7 seconds. And then we're going to let it cool completely before we peel off the backing. When you're working with the Deco Film soft metallics like this, there are a couple of things that you have to remember. That wait till it's cool to peel. If you don't wait till it's cool to peel, it will rip and it will break because of the way this vinyl is. It is so soft, it like melts into your shirt, which is, oop, I missed a part. Which is one of the things that I love about it, because it does make it feel more like screen print, but it takes a little extra care when applying it. So we'll start up here. Go ahead and remove our clear plastic layer, going slowly. That part's still hot. But yeah, Caden's obsessed with The Mandalorian on Disney Plus. Anything Star Wars, he loves. I'm not sure how your family is, but that's the great thing to me personally about Disney, is there is pretty much something for everyone. You've got comic book lovers, well, you've got Marvel. Princesses, well, there's 20. You want Star Wars? We got that. Okay, so now that that's stuck, we're going to go ahead and reheat in each section for the 7 seconds. Just to make sure everything is stuck down good. But that's why we love Disney. We're trying to decide on what Caden wants to do for his graduation trip. Because again, he's obsessed with Star Wars. So we may do Disneyland so he can go see Galaxy's Edge and possibly VidCon. We're not sure. So you'll be able to definitely see us work with all that. There we go. Look how good that looks. And it, as I said, it melts into the shirt, so it really feels like it's in there. It doesn't have that thick vinyl-y feel. Like, I'm gonna see if I can show you up close. Like, that is in there. So, if you'll give me a minute to change the camera angle, I'll go over everything we just did. So, hopefully you like this video. If you do, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Now, for Craftmas, we post videos 7 days a week at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. Every Friday is a Disney SVG, because Disney is one thing that my whole family loves. But don't forget to check me out on all my social media: Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, as well as my second channel, which is just Betsy Go Try. I do all my makeup stuff there, weight loss, a little bit of everything. If you really want to get me to know me, check out my second channel. It is linked in the description box. But remember, if you are a $4 or more a month patron, you do get access to this. But I guess that's it. So we'll see y'all tomorrow.